Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarah. Welcome to the another video फोटोग्राफ्स एंड दोस्तों आज मैं इस तरह की फ़ोटो एडिटिंग लाया हूँ। तो गाइस वीडियो पसंद है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और वीडियो को पूरा देखिए। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Woke up feeling like a legend. All my haters need a prayer, get the record. Drop the top, push the pedal to the metal. Whip is blacker than a kettle, man. I'm on another level. Settle down, yo. Yeah, I pulled up in a new thing. Flex on them and I might pull a few strings. And I wear black and gold like a new king. And I'm sunning y'all like I'm your father. Y'all going far, but I'm going farther. Cause I flow harder, and you know I slaughter any single artist trying to go with Marvin like, I know the game, I know what's up. We ain't the same, I know your bluff. They know my name, yeah, I'm the one. I've been lit, forget the blunt. I've been the man. Hands up. Man, they really think this a game, huh? Alright, look, I know you say that you do it. You don't do it like me. You ain't got it how I got it. I'm just keeping it G. I'm doing business in Rome. I just flew out of DC. While you sitting at home, mad that I'm making green. Let's go. Drop that. Bring it back, don't stop that. Stock goes up when I rap, cause everybody wants that. But I won't rap about me rapping, nah, I provide motivation. About to inspire the nation, do your thing, no hesitation. You grinding for greatness, work for it now, get it later. Don't worry about no hater, the more they hate you get greater. Don't ask no one for favors, cause if you want it, go get it. You gotta be committed, lay low and stick to your vision, let's go. I know the game, I know what's up. We ain't the same, I know your bluff. They know my name, yeah, I'm the one. I've been lit, forget the blunt. You already know. I've been the man.